In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful tutorial on how to manually install Epson L360 printer driver in your Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to proceed at the description box below. You'll be able to see a link there. All you need to do is you need to copy it. Once you've copied it, open any of the favorite browser that you have in your PC. It could be Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Mozilla Firefox, and more. So the moment you have opened it, proceed to the address bar and paste the link that you have copied. So once you have pasted it, you will be able to find a window like this. Go with operating system, click on this down arrow key, and go with Windows 11 and click on the go button, and you'll be able to refresh the page. Once you've refreshed it, wait until you'll get to see an option like this where you can see the other software and drivers. So here, all you need to do is you need to click on the drivers, and eventually you'll be able to see this printer driver. Click on this download button aligning to it or next to it, and in that way you'll be able to be navigated to a new tab where here it will ask you to agree on the license agreement. So all you need to do is you need to agree on the license agreement, click on accept, and once you have clicked on it, you can now start the downloading process. To check the download progress, click on the three dots here, go with downloads, and eventually you'll be able to see the downloaded file that you have downloaded. Okay, so from that, in my case, I have already downloaded this one, but in your case, if you haven't yet, then wait until it be downloaded successfully. Once done, you'll be able to see a folder icon, click on it. The moment you click on it, you will be able to open a new window where here you would be able to see the file that you have downloaded. So by that, you need to make a right click while selecting it, okay? Click on this cat icon and then close the windows being opened. And here at the desktop, please make a right click here and you need to go with paste. Now, once you have pasted the file here, you need to double tap to unzip or extract the file, or either make a right click and use the WinRAR tool to extract this one. So go with the WinRAR, okay? Wait until it will be appearing first before we proceed. Once it's here, go with WinRAR and go with extract to L360 and kindly wait until you would be able to create a new file folder here at the desktop. Once it's here, we will now proceed to the installation. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do subscribe and give this video a thumbs up so you won't miss any of our upcoming tutorial. So here at the start, you need to navigate here, make a right click, scroll up and click on settings. Once you've clicked on the settings, please proceed directly to the left side, go with Bluetooth and devices. Once you've opened it, please proceed with the printers and scanners. Click on this one, and eventually you'll get to see this option called Add Device. Click on that, and by that, you would be able to reveal another option where you can add a printer manually. Click on this once it's here, and in a few moments, a new window would appear. Go with this Add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Click on the next button. Click on this down arrow key and use among of these three USB ports. It could be one, two, or three. Go with the next button here. And by that, you need to go with Have Disk and click on the Browse. So since our extracted file is being placed at the desktop, then we need to navigate to our desktop. And by that, you need to scroll down here and you can find the extracted file double tapped again, double tapped, and eventually you'll be able to see the driver. Select that, click on Open and click on the OK button and click on Next. And please rename that. So in my case, I'll be setting Epson L360 as the printer name. Click on Next and you can now start the installation. Please wait until this would be done. Once done, click on Next. Click on Finished, and there you have that you have just successfully installed the Epson L360 printer driver in your Windows 11. So if you think this video had helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Now thank you for watching and have a good day everyone.